Today we are going to see about chapter 12, structured query language, SQL. Introduction to SQL, structured query language. The structured query language is a standard programming language to accessing their manipulations of database. It is fully accomplished by the database oriented programming. It is called as a SQL, structured query language. SQL allows to the user to create, retrieve, alter and transform the information among the database. So the database can be created, the database can be modified, database can be retrieved, and it should be created or to transfer the information among the database through the database using some special programming language. It is a language designed from the managing their accessing data in a relational database management system, RDBMS. It is called as a relational database management system. There are many variants of SQL. The original version of SQL developed by an IBM Research Center is originally called as a scored in early 1970s. Later than language was changed to the SQL. In 1986, ANSCI, American National Standard Institute, published an SQL standard that was updated again in 1992. The last SQL was released in 2008. The role of SQL in RDBMS, Relational Database Management Systems. RDBMS stand for Relational Database Management System. Oracle, MySQL, MS SQL Server, IBM DB2 and Microsoft Accessing are the RDBMS packages. So it is called as a package, it is not a software. SQL is not a software, it is a package oriented. So SQL is a language used to access data in such a database method. Database is a collection of tables and stored set of data that can be queried from using in their other applications. What the application should be, whatever it may be, C or C++, Java or Oracle or web based programming or .NET, whatever it may be, it can be created by their querying from the using in their other applications. A database management system support the development administrative oriented programming using the RDBMS. RDBMS is a type of DBMS, database management system, with a row based table structures that connecting to the related the data's element and including in the functions related to create, read, update and deleting operations. Collections is known as a RDBMS or database management system. Database is a RDBMS is stored in a database object is called as a table, that is connecting through the field and records. It can be maintained by field and records. In the RDBMS section, they stored in the database objects is called as a table. Table is a collection of related data entered in there consist of rows and column. When the tables are created, it is basically created from by the row and columns. A field is a column in the table that is designed to maintain a specific related information about every record in the table. The vertical position is called as a field, the horizontal position is called as a records. The field should be designed in a columnized manner, records should be created in a row wise manner. Record is called as a table, field is called as a columnized table that can be designed to maintain a specific related information about every records in the table. It is very entire versions entire in that contain all information accessing with a specific field in the table. Some special field it can be entered by the some special qualities of vertical entries. So horizontal position and vertical position. Vertical positions designed by creating the table accessing by some special informations. A record is a row which or is a collection of related field or collections that existing in the table. Record is a horizontal entry in the table which represented that details of a particular students in the student database tables. Processing skills of SQL. Processing skills of structured query languages. What is the processing that can be accessed to the structured query language? The various processing skills of structured query language are a data definition language DDL. The SQL DDL provides a command for defining a related scheme structures, deleting a relations, creating an index and modifying a relational schemes. Database manipulation language DML, SQL if including the command to be accessing in the DML functions. So embedded database manipulation language. So embedded form of SQL is used in a high level programming language. Examples called as Android programming or Java, JavaScript or embedded Java based programming. All are using in a some special kind of programming used in a television or in a mobile servicing systems. View definitions. The SQL also including the commands for defining the view of tables. Authorization. SQL including the command for accessing a right to the relations and viewing in the table of content. It can be specifically designed from some special oriented creation in the specific authorizations. Integrally SQL providing from there, integrally checking using their conditions, transferring the control. SQL includes their commands for file transferring. It can be transfer the data as well as transferring the files, creating a database. How can we creating a database? Composition of database. What is the component of database? DML, DDL, DCL and TCL. DML means data manipulation language, DDL means data definition language, DCL means data control language, TCL transfer control language. These are all comes under their SQL structures. First we have to study about DML, database manipulation language. The data manipulation language DML is a computer programming language used for adding, inserting, removing, deleting, adding and removing and modifying, updating the database. In the SQL, the database manipulation language compresses the SQL data to changing the statement which modifying to store the database but not schemes of database in the table. After the database schemes has been specified and database has been created in the same data. By data manipulations mean insertion, relational deletions, new informations into the database, retrieval information stored in the database, deletion information from the database, it can be deleted, modified the database that it can be stored in the database. DML is basically of two types. One is procedural and non-procedural DML. Record the usings of a specifying what the database is need and how it gets. Non-procedural DML required a user to specifying what database is to be needed. What is the user can be needed to using some specific DML manipulation language that it can be created by the user to using some special creations. DML commands: insert, updating and deleting option. Inserting data into the table, delete the records in from the table, updating the existing data within the tables. DDL, data definition language. Data definition language consists of SQL statement using to define the database structures or schemes. Structures or schemes should be followed by using some special kind of database manipulation. It similarly deals with the descriptions, database schemes and using to create a modifying some special creations using of data definition languages. A data definition language performing the following function. It should identify the type of a data division such as a data item, segment, records and database field. It gives a unique name to each data table in the table. Record type and field type and database type should be entered in their field and record should be entered in their unique formation. You should be specifying the proper data type. Data should be arranging in the proper way in the record table. It should be defined in the size of the data items. Data item should be specifically designed. It may be defined the range of the values that the data items may be used. When the data item should be used by the someone or data item used by the user, it can be ranging the values in the database may be used. DDL commands. What is the command should be created? Create, alternative, dropped and concatenates. To create a table in the database, alter the structures of database, deleting the table from the database, removing all records from the table, also releasing commands. To create a database in Excel formatting using a signed option and unsigned option, as well as using their null values options. DCL, data control language. Data control language, DCL, is a programming language used to control their accessing of data stored in the database. It is used to collecting the privileges in the database. Authorization, without the permission of authorization, we cannot be changed or we cannot be modifying using their given records. Privileges are required to performing all the database using some special commands. DCL commands, grant, revokings, grant permissions to one or more used to performing the specific task, withdraw the accessing for permissions giving by the grant statements. TCL, transactional control language. Transactional control language commands are used to managing the transactions in the database. Whatever it may be, the transactions may be comes under in using their management, changing the made to be in the database level. TCL commands, commit, rollbacks and saving points. Save any transaction into the database permanently, not temporary. Permanent database should be saved in permanent ways. Restore the database in the lowest communication status. Saving option, DQL, data query languages. Data query language consists of commands used to querying and retrieving the data from the database. DQL commands, select command, display the records from the table. SQL commands, DDL, DML, DCL and TCL, create, alter, truncate, drop and describe and rename. This is the command should be entered in the SQL commands. DML, insert, update, delete and select. DCL, grant and revokes. And TCL, saving point, rollbacks and commit. Commandment options. SQL commands, here also same options will be created in a DQL in a similar ways. Data types. What are data types to be in the SQL formation? Data is a database is stored based on the kinds of values stored in it. This is a definition identified as the data types of a data, or by assigning each field or each records, or to be each defined definitions by using their data type. All the values should be given in there, must be using their field type. Data type, creations, descriptions and inserting that floating and its real function should be creating in a descriptions manner. SQL commands and their functions are functionalities values. The tables are the only way to store the data. Therefrom, all informations has been arranged in the form of table. The SQL providing in their set of commands that it can be to be working. What is the keywords and key features to be commands in the argumental areas? Keywords, commands, classes and arguments. They have their special meaning in SQL. They are unstored as integrations. The instructions that it can be accomplished. Integrated value should be given by the underscore options. Commands should be given. There are their instructions given by the programmer, or instructions given by the user, or instruction given by the SQL commands by using to do the data is also known as statements. By using their understanding values, They classes. They begins with a keyword and consist of keyword and argumental areas. DDL commands, creating a table with a DDL commands. You can create a table by using their create table command. When the table is to be created, columns or named data type and size are to be specified by the each table must be having their column wise and row wise manners. Syntax of following database creations: column wise and data type and size of the tables. Creating a table of the student admission, number, name, gender, age and place. Here is some special characters denoted by the integer positional content. Creating a tables. Column contains, table contains. Column constraint apply only to individual columns. Table constraint apply to the group of one or more column in the tables. Not null constraint. Not null constraint restricts a column from having a null values. One not null constraint is applied to their column. You cannot pause a null values that can be using in their column values. It enforcing the column to be contained as a pointing the values in a some special pointers. Syntax values: column name, data type, size and column constraints. Creating a table using the student admission number, keyword, name, character, gender, age and place using the primary keys. Type of constraints. Constraint ensure the database integrally, therefore known as a database integrally constraints. The different types of constraints are unique, primary keys, default constrainer and checking constrainers. Unique constrainer, primary key constrainer, default constrainer and check constrainers. Unique constrainers. This is a constrainer ensure that one or two rows having the same value in the database. Creating a student admission number, unique constrainer, null value unique in the form of name. Integer value should be declared in a some special integral positional content. Unique constrainer can be applied only the field that have also be declared as not in a null positional values. When the two constraints are applied in a single field, it is known as a multiple constraint. In the above multiple constraint, not null and a unique are applied on a single field admission number. Constraints are separated by the space and the ends with the field definition separated by the commas adding in their field records. Primary keys of constrainers. This container declares the field as a primary key which helps to the unique identify records. It is similar to the unique constrainer excepting the only one field of the table can be set in a primary keys. One field of record can be set in the primary keys. The primary key does not allow the null values, therefore the field declared in the positional content. So some small examples to be creating a table. How should be table should be created? Admission number, integer should be written in the integer part. Primary key constrainer, name, characters. Gender also should be written a character. Age, integer part. Place also written in a character positional values. Default constrainers. The default constraint is used to assign the default values from the field, not on a record. It can be creating only in the field when no value is given to the specific field. Without entering the value in the field, it cannot be allowed to enter in the empty field to enter the empty records. Having the default constrainer, automatically the default value should be assigning in the default value of field. Some creating label primary key should be entered in here, some given by the small example. Check constrainers. This container helps to set of a limit values placed from the field. When we define as a checking the container on a single column, it can be entered by the single rows and a single column, allowing only in their restricted values in their container areas. Creating some small example: admission number, integer character, gender, age and container places should be written in the primary keys of values. Table containers: when their constraints is applied to the group of a field, it can be entered in the group of a field, not entered in the group of a record. It can be entered in the group of a field of the table is known as a table constraint. The table constraint is normally given at the end of the table, end of the record. DML commands: one of the schemes or structures of the table is created, the value can be added to the table. DML commands consist of inserting and deleting options. DML commands: insert, updating and deleting options. Inserting the data into the table, updating the existing data within the tables. Inserting commands: these inserting commands helps to add a new data to the database or adding the new records or to be the table commands using the following keys. Syntax should be followed by the entering in the new records. So insert into a table name, column the values. Insert into the student name, gender, age, values Ramesh, male 37. Deleting commands: delete command primarily remove from the one or more records from the table. It removing the entire rows. Individual fields in the rows should be entered in the row wise manners. Deleting from the table name, wherever the container deleting from the behavior name encloses. To delete all the rows of the table, commands using in the delete from the tables of the student records. Updating commands: updating commands is updating some or all data values in the database. All data or all values are deleting in their database. It can be updated one or more records in the table. When the records are placed in one or more records, the records can be updated. Command specifically rows can be changed in their while cases or whether the cases should be entered in the field of records. Syntax can be applied in the some set of columns while entering in the syntax values. Alter commands: alter command is used to alter the table structures like adding the column, renaming the existing column, changing the data type of any column or size of the column, or deleting their column from the table or from the records. Alter table Excel's adding into the integer 10 characters should be entered in the Excel formation. Concurrent commands: this concurrent command is used to delete all the rows from the table. The structures remain and the space of the field from the records. It can be entered in the concurrent commands. Syntax: table and value should be written in some special commands. Drop table commands: the drop table commands is used to removing a table from the database. If you drop the table, all rows in the table is deleted and the table structures is removed from the whole database. Once you drop the table, all records will be removed and tables also will be removed. Once a table is dropped, we cannot get it back. The tables or records should be deleted. We cannot be take it back from the original data. So be careful while using the dropping option. While using the dropping command, we should be very careful from using the table commands. Syntax: drop table, the deleting option, concurrent and dropping options. DQL commands: selecting commands. One of the most important tasks when working with SQL is to generating a queries and retrieve data. A query is a command to giving the set of instructions designed to result from the database to selecting the command using the queries or retrieve data from the table in the database manners. Syntax from the table, creating the table name and name also be created from special from which the informations will be retrieved. Column including from the one or more records should be entered in the syntax values. To view all the fields and rows of the table, the selecting commands can be given in a selecting option. For all records should be created from the student based records. Designate keys. Key is used for along with the selecting commands to eliminate the duplicate rows in the table. Two rows or two column in a same field cannot be entered. It helps to eliminate their duplicate copies or entered in their field or records. Selecting the discrete field in name from the table. Some special name should be entered in a same name cannot be allowed from the each records. Between and not between commands. Between not between keys are a define a range of values. The record must fall into the making their conditions true. The statement conditions true values, the range may be include and upper values and lower values between while the condition must be fall into the between and not between statements. Not between is a because a rows of their between operators when the records not satisfying the conditions is going for not between values. Some small example: field type, null keys and default keys for existing some special operations. In keys. In keys is used to specifying a list of values which must be matches with their record values. In other words, it is used to compare a column with their most one values. It is called as a similar to the key in a or formation is called as a in key values. From employee, while in their in value from the floor. Hello, some small example should be written from the in key values. Order by the classes. Order by the classes in SQL is used for a store the data in entire accessing or descending order based on their one or more columns. By defaulting order by their sorting the record for using their ascending order or using the descending order option. We can use the key discussed to the sort the data in a descending order by using their order by cases. To creating the order of the classes by using some special record in the field of records. Rollback commands. Rollback command to save their pointer names. It can be saved by the command. Saving pointer commands. To save the pointer and the save point in their name formation. Selecting from the employee order by the payoff descriptions. A small example should be written for designing some special employee by using the SQL structure forms can be created using the structured query language using by their DBMS and RDBMS database management and relational database management system using by the SQL forms structured query languages. Thank you.